On average. And so even when I do have a spike.
What's up, Trainer Glenn? Thank you for jumping in. We're going for a little exercise today and checking out the waves. Welcome to Hawaii. Aloha. As always, it's a beautiful day here. Green shit, we going surfing? No, we're not going surfing today. We're just gonna go check out the waves. No surfboards today, just surfboard shorts. They got all these long pathways that are public walkways from the street to the beach. The hardest part is finding parking. Luckily, I doing a little dog sitting over here, so while I watch the boxers, I'm gonna go and check out and take advantage of the fact that I'm only a block away from the beach.
So we stayed in the resort.